In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change YouTube Shorts video quality. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up YouTube app. After that, just tap right here to go to Shorts. And now we can swipe down to watch our shorts. However, let's say if we would like to change that short video's quality, we need to tap right here at the top right corner at these three dots. That's where we can easily find quality. Now it is set to auto, which equals in my case to 720p at 60 fps. However, if we get in here, we'll be able to increase the quality by selecting higher picture quality, just like that. Keep in mind that in that case it will use more data, so just keep that in mind. However, you can also lower video quality by selecting the data saver option. In this case, it may help you to save some data just by selecting one particular option. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.